Hello all and welcome back to my channel. My channel name is French Grammar by Payal, and today we will be learning something new, some new topics, that is adjective possessive, or in another way we can call it as possessive adjective. It's quite similar to in English as English grammar, but there are certain rules that we have to follow and they are really much important in your French grammar. So let's begin. In English, we use simple my, your, his, her, our, your or their. But in French language, they are being separated according to the gender of the noun. For example, my, they are using mon for masculine noun, ma for feminine noun, and me for plural noun. And here we use for informal. Informal here it means for the person who is younger to you, or we can use it for our friend or for a familiar person. Ton we use for masculine. Ta te. For his her we use son sa se. For our notre notre no. Your formal for giving respect, or to the unknown person we are meeting for the first time, or to the elder people we use Votre Votre Vos. It's according to the Hindi language आप. Their third person plural Leur Leur Leurs. In French, there are certain rules that we have to follow. The rule number 1 here says we put them according to the gender of the predicate and not according to the subject. In English, we use according to the subject. The sentence here says Sam is eating his ice cream. We are putting his according to the subject, that is Sam. Her, she is playing with her doll. We are putting her as per the subject because it's feminine, that's why using her here. If he is there, we would have written here his doll. Let's begin. I will explain you further how they are being used. The correct sentences are here and the incorrect sentences according to the French language are here. Sentence number 1 says, Raj va au marché avec sa mère. Says, Raj going to the market with his mother as per your English, but as per French, we have to use them according to the predicate here or the subject here. Our predicate here is mère. So we have to put here sa. We don't have to look for the gender for the subject. We have to concentrate on your object or predicate. Wrong sentence in French is Raj va au marché avec son mère is a wrong sentence. It's according to the English sentence it's correct, but in French grammar it's wrong. Second sentence, Rita aime son père. Rita loves or likes her father. As per French, we have to put according to the object or predicate here. Predicate here is your father. That's why we are putting son here. We don't have to look what is the gender of our subject. Wrong sentence in French is Rita aime sa père, though it's correct in your English grammar. Third sentence is Caroline étudie avec son frère. Caroline study with her brother. But in French, we have to put son frère. Again, the wrong sentence here is Caroline étudie avec sa frère. It's purely according to the English grammar. These are considered as wrong sentences. Manuel detests Sa Ses. Manuel hates his sister as per your English grammar, but we have to put according to the predicate, that is sister. That's why we are putting here sa. Manuel déteste son sœur is a wrong sentence in French. Les enfants jouent avec leurs parents. Here you can see we are using leurs because parents word is plural here. That's why we are using leurs here. And this this is plural, that's why we're putting here. The kids play with their parents. L'enfant joue avec sa cousin. It's a feminine cousin. That's why we are putting sa cousin. Otherwise, if it would have been a masculine cousin, we would have put son cousin. Rule number 2 is really much important, and sometimes students get confused with this rule. We have to concentrate here on the vowels. In French language, there are vowels A, E, I, O, U, silent H, and Y. These are your vowels in your French grammar, but in English we use A, E, I, O, U and silent with the silent H, but Y is also considered as vowel in your French grammar. Rule number 2 says we use mon, ton, son with feminine nouns starting with vowel instead of ma, ta, sa. In my previous slides, I have showed you that we use ma, ta, sa with the feminine noun, but here the rule changes. We have to look if the noun is singular and it's starting with the vowel. We have to put mon ton son, or Notre Votre and Leur spellings are same. That's why I haven't mentioned it here. Let's begin. Rita joue avec son ami. Here, ami is a feminine friend, and we were supposed to put sa here, but it's starting with a vowel and it's singular. That's why we are using son here. Rita joue avec sa ami is an incorrect sentence in French. Ton ami est belle. Here, ami word is feminine and it's starting with a vowel and it's singular. That's why we are using ton here. Ton ami est belle. Your feminine friend is beautiful. Ta ami est belle is a wrong sentence. Third sentence is son école est grande. His or her school is big. School is feminine. How we get to know? It's written E here. Though we were supposed to put here sa because école is a feminine word, but it's starting with a vowel. That too it's singular. That's why we are using son école. Sa école est grande is an incorrect sentence. If école's word is plural, then we were supposed to put ses, that's ces écoles sont grands. But it's singular, that's why we are using sont here. Let's start with the fourth sentence. Je parle à mon ami Francis. I speak to my French feminine friend. Again, you can see I have used more here. More because I'm using it with the I form. I speak to my friend, that to feminine friend. Though we have to look from the columns that from where we have to put more. I'm using here because Joe is there. I'm using son here because Rita was here. That's what the reason is. Incorrect sentence. Je parle à ma amie Française is an incorrect sentence in French because it's starting with the vowel and singular. Nous allons à notre maison. We are going to our house. It will remain same. Whether it's masculine or feminine, the spelling remains same. That's why I haven't mentioned it here. Vous aimez vos parents. You love your parents. Again, I've used here parents word was here. That's why I'm using vos. If it's written here parents, single parent is written here, then I would have used votre here. Let's practice. Okay, first sentence here. Tu regardes ta photo dans ta maison. You watch your photo in your house. Photo word is feminine, ta. Maison word is feminine, ta. Nous aimons nos maisons. We love our houses. Houses word is plural here. That's why we are using no. If I would have written here maison, singular, I would have written notre here. Caroline achète Une voiture pour sa famille. Says Caroline purchased a car for her family. Family word is feminine. That's why we are using sa here. Manuel habite avec sa tante. Tante, auntie is a feminine word. That's why you are using sa here. Manuel lives with his auntie in your English translation, but in French we have to use according to the tante. Tom va au parc avec ses chiens. Tom is going to the park with his dogs, plural dogs. That's why we have written here say. If only one chien is written here, I would have written son. A feminine chien is written here, then I would have written sa here. Tom et Sam vont au Japon avec leurs parents. Tom and Sam are going to Japan with their parents. They both are going with their parents. Les filles étudient dans leur chambre. The girls are studying in their rooms. I have not written here chambres here, plural. If I would have written plural here, then I would have made it leurs here. Leur. Let's practice more. L'enfant joue avec sa mère dans le parc. The child is playing with his mother in the park. Though the child word is masculine, again we are using it according to the predicate, that is sa. Mother is feminine. Les enfants jouent avec leur mère dans le parc. The kids are playing with their mother in the park. I have not written here mothers, I have just written here mothers singular. That's why I have picked leur. Son ami est grand. His feminine friend is tall. Je vais au cinéma avec ma femme. I'm going to the cinema with my wife. Wife is feminine, that's why ma. Tu adores ton école. You love or like your uncle. Les hommes sont heureux avec leurs femmes. The men are happy with their ladies or their wives. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.